Today, the U.S. Supreme Court heard its first case on abortion since overturning Roe v. Wade.
Justices ruled to keep access to a widely used drug for medication abortions known as misoprostol. NBC Bree Jackson has the details.
In a unanimous decision, the High Court kept wide access to the drug mifepristone, one of two drugs used in nearly 66% of all abortions last year. That means patients can receive the drug through the mail without an in-person doctor visit. The case stemmed from a Texas judge's ruling last year to move mifepristone off the market. The group of anti-abortion doctors claimed the FDA did not properly vet the drug back in 2000 and put women's health at risk. But the Supreme Court froze that order until it heard arguments last March. During those oral arguments, the government argued that the anti-abortion group had no standing to bring the case and that mifepristone had been on the market for more than 20 years with decades of evidence to prove the drug was safe. At the time, justices appeared to side with the government on this standing issue, even those who ruled to overturn Roe v. Wade. The Biden administration and the drug's manufacturers also argued that taking mifepristone off of the market could undermine the FDA's drug approval process. More than 6 million people have used mifepristone since 2000 as part of a two-part drug regimen to end pregnancies. And this is not the only abortion case on the Supreme Court docket. The justices heard arguments in April over whether a federal law on emergency treatment at hospitals must include abortions, even in states that have banned abortion. Justices have yet to rule on that case. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.
Now, the American Civil Liberties Union of Maine released a statement regarding the Supreme Court's decision. The ACLU's executive director writes, "We are relieved by this unanimous decision, clarifying that the availability and use of this medication does not violate the rights of those who do not want to use it." She continues on to say, "Today's ruling is a victory for abortion access, but the fight is not over to protect access in Maine and restore access in other states."